The FX3 Mark II rumors are currently a mix of speculation and evolving leaks. While the excitement is palpable, it is important to clarify the current state of affairs based on official registrations and industry reporting as of July 2026. The official status, what we know. Registration reality. Sony has officially registered a new device under the ILME, Interchangeable Lens Movie I, prefix in regulatory databases. Because this prefix is exclusively reserved for Sony's professional cinema line, it is a near certainty the new compact cinema camera is coming. The name confusion. While many refer to it as the FX3 Mark II, that is an unofficial, community-adopted name. Some industry reports suggest Sony might position this as an FX5 or a different model entirely to reflect a significant leap in technology, rather than just a minor iterative update. The FX32 versus FX32. You may see FX32 in some circles, but this is widely considered a misinterpretation or shorthand for the FX3 Mark II. There is no official FX32 product line. Why the industry is watching. The hype is driven by Sony's need to defend its compact cinema dominance against renewed pressure from Canon and Nikon. The core problems the community is looking for the new camera to solve include sensor speed. There is significant expectation for a partially stacked or global shutter sensor. The goal is to eliminate rolling shutter entirely, which remains the primary complaint for handheld cinema shooters using the original FX3. Audio workflow. The inclusion of 32-bit floating-point audio is the most widely anticipated workflow transformation, as it would allow solo operators to capture high dynamic range audio without fear of clipping. Thermal and stabilization. Users are demanding fixes rather than just more resolution. This means better-tuned IBIS, in-body image stabilization, that feels cinematic rather than stills-like, and refined thermal management to ensure reliability during long, continuous shoots. Strategic dilemma. The cannibalization problem. Sony is currently navigating a high-stakes balancing act. 1. The FX2 factor. Sony recently released the FX2, which occupies a versatile, hybrid-style niche in the cinema line. The new FX camera must be distinct enough from the FX2 to avoid internal confusion. 2. Target audience. The original FX3 succeeded because it was a pure motion tool. If the new camera becomes too much like a standard alpha mirrorless, it loses its identity. If it becomes too close to the high-end FX6, it threatens professional sales. 3. The modular shift. Some rumors suggest this new camera might be modular, potentially allowing for a more production-ready configuration, like an EVF or specialized handles, that moves it closer to the mini Venice concept, rather than just a mirrorless camera with a fan. Announcement window. Credible industry analysts are currently pointing toward a late 2026 announcement, with some rumors specifically highlighting September. Price. Expect a premium over the original FX3, with current estimates placing it between $3,500 and $4,300. In short, the FX3 Mark II is real in spirit and supported by official filings, but is likely to be a more ambitious project than a simple spec bump. Sony is clearly aiming to redefine the solo shooter camera, but until the official reveal, all specific technical specs, including the sensor architecture and final name, remain unconfirmed. Thanks for watching.